So today we're going to add some support about midway up on the tower, just for peace of mind. And then we're going to start cladding the blind.
It's sketchy stuff. No, I think pretty much the sketchy of the sketchy was done yesterday.
Okay, so we're going to go 51 inches. Spared no expense. Okay, so I'm gonna put that about mid. Can you go over to that side? Grab that chair. Go over that side there. Or can you reach it? Oh, it's just good.
What do you need? I'll get it for you.
Level. Okay, go down, Phil. Down. Oh. Perfect right there. Okay, your guys go up just a little bit, Up. Up. Right there. Now measure, just put a mark under there, and before you move it, mark the ends.
Yeah. Which end? What?
I don't think it matters. Okay, go down a bit. Right there. And you're gonna have to go on this side and hold it.
Really?
Think.
Yeah, I was thinking we should have put the two side pieces on first, then, but you know, just me.
You know.
What do I know?
So this way you don't have to measure anything.
Can't be that sketchy.
You can sit there.
That's right. I can sit under here and film.
That's right. I got trust issues with me, never mind you. The cutting was on the mark yesterday.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
It's just there's quite a distance, over 100 inches, where there's no support. So we just basically put an inside curtain around, or a waist around here. So all these are held together.
Yep.
So you just peace of mind. Did we need it? I don't know.
And then what are you going to do after?
Well, we're going to put lag screws in here, just like we did in all the rest of the places. Screws are not good for moving and shearing, but the lag screws will put an extra strength to it. We'll do that. What's that?
Why are you starting on this side?
Well, we want to get the front done. We got to put a ledge there. We got to figure out the ledge.
Well, I was figuring just, you know, keep going. We could just go right around and do the bottom part and then start working on the top.
Because we're gonna have to rip a couple boards, maybe. That board, see that board that I put up, leaned up against there? You tie that on there, please.
Switch moth.
All right.
Yeah. You tell me what you need.
Inch and 3/4. Let's get this one attached first.
Yep. Clad this thing and put the door on today.
All right.
That's the plan. That ledge does look good, Keith.
Good.
Yeah. Staples are tied.
Okay.
The feet don't line up when you step on the rungs, Keith.
Yeah, because they're when you're backward, the rungs are farther apart, aren't they?
You're still an ass. Don't change that, you know.
Oh,
It was backwards.
your argument doesn't stand up to scrutiny. I'm just saying.
It does so stand up. Ladders are not made to climb up backwards. They are made to climb forward.
That's funny. I climbed up that ladder. I had absolutely no problem.
Yeah,
It was
because it was the right way yesterday.
No, I climbed up it today.
No, you're goofy.
You're hilarious.
No, you just know how to argue and make people look silly because they don't have the same argument skills as you.
Well,
Right, and you can't
listen,
handle that.
listen.
Ladders are not designed to climb up backwards.
Listen. Logic doesn't care about your feelings.
Okay, Spock.
No, it doesn't.
Here, Keith.
Well,
We might as well try and get this off the top one.
what, this here?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. We're just gonna what kind of an overhang we have here? This one can go right up the boards. Trying to think maybe we throw some screen up in there.
Is there a problem with the outhouse blinds with condensation in them?
There can be on the windows.
Yeah. Well, we got the ladder in this area. Let's finish off this front, finish off this side, and start boarding it up.
Yeah.
And we'll bring the boards up to about halfway up. We'll bring them up to that first board.
Yeah.
And we'll leave this piece in here.
Yeah.
And then we'll I'll figure that out because once we got boards on here, then we can put the ladder right up here
Yeah, true enough.
because we can't do that now.
No,
So
because I'm not high enough up here yet.
no.
Are you going to do them all?
Good. Perfect. Perfect.
Want the level or something?
Yeah, give me the level here just to make sure that these things are. Yeah, they're all right. We need 1, 2.
Good.
Board.
Oh, that's it? I thought you put more holes in it than that.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Well, yeah, There's a board up here about 4 feet.
Oh, yeah, hey.
And let me go up there. This stuff doesn't bother me. Okay, you grab. Cameras.
She's funny. The thing's been due to kill deer.